might be following 4 pillars of diabetes management. Those are insulin or medication on time, healthy diet, regular exercise, and blood glucose monitoring. Still, you are not able to achieve glycemic target. Instead, you face worse situation or hyper or hypoglycemia. What are the reasons behind that? There might be a number of reasons, but one of the most common reason is insulin administration error. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shivani Arya. I am a dietitian and certified diabetes educator by International Diabetes Federation. Today we will talk about 6 common mistakes while taking insulin, and believe me, by correcting these mistakes, you may achieve glycemic target without facing hyper and hypoglycemia. The first and foremost common mistake is reuse of insulin needle. People with diabetes have to take insulin several times. So what they do, just to save their pocket, they use one needle several times. Do you really think so that people can save money in this way? No, not at all. Even after first use of insulin, needle get banned, which cannot be seen by naked eyes. With this banned needle, less insulin will go inside the body. People have to take large amount of insulin to maintain normal blood glucose level, so they will spend more money on insulin. In this way, just to save a small amount, they spend more on insulin. Another reason for not to use reused needle, because after the interaction with the environment and skin surface, overgrowth of bacteria can take place on the needle. If there is any harmful bacteria, it can cause severe skin infection, and it is also not advisable to immunity compromised patients. Another mistake is insulin injection on same site. When you inject the insulin on same site, lump of fatty tissues, which is also called lipohypertrophy, may develop. When you inject into fatty lumps, insulin will not absorb normally and you may not receive full dose of insulin. So it is very necessary to change the site of insulin injection. Third mistake is leaving insulin needle on pan. When you leave insulin needle on pan, it allows air enter into the insulin cartridge, which will not physically hurt you, but you may receive less dose of insulin than you think. So it is very necessary to remove insulin needle after taking insulin. Fourth mistake is to remove insulin needle from the skin surface too early. When you remove the insulin needles too early, you will not receive full dose of insulin. You will feel wet substance. It means insulin has ended up outside the body instead within the skin where it should be. So it is very necessary not to remove insulin needle up to 10 seconds from the skin surface. The fifth mistake is wrong position of needle. Insulin can go intramuscularly if wrong position is there. In adult with normal subcutaneous fat, insulin needle can be kept on 90-degree angle. If there is less subcutaneous fat, then pinch is necessary or angle should be 45 degree. And it should be considered especially in children and old adults where subcutaneous fat is less. Lastly, not to consider temperature. The insulin which is being used, it is very necessary to keep it on room temperature to limit localized irritation at insulin injection site, which may occur when cold insulin is used. Extreme temperature like below 2 degrees Celsius and more than 30 degrees Celsius may cause precipitation of insulin, clumping of insulin, or frosting of insulin. So a specific storage guideline for the insulin should be followed. Some people do not have refrigerator, so what they should do? It is a common myth that refrigerator is essential for insulin storage, while it can be stored near earthen pot or any cool surface area of your home. These are the 6 common mistakes which we generally do not consider, but believe me, by improving these mistakes, You may achieve glycemic target without facing hyper and hypoglycemia with the same dose of insulin. Goodbye for now. In the next video, we will learn about right way of insulin technique. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video valuable, do not forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon button for future updates and you can put your suggestion in comment section.